Replacing the windows in your Scottsdale home is one of the best upgrades you can make. New windows improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, reduce noise, and increase your property's overall value. But like any home improvement project, preparation is key to ensuring everything goes smoothly. By taking a few simple steps before your installers arrive, you can save time, reduce stress, and protect your home. Here's how to get your Scottsdale home ready for a seamless window replacement project. Clear the work areas. Installers need space to safely remove old windows and bring in new ones. Start by moving any furniture, rugs, or decor away from windows, both inside and outside. This includes items such as lamps, side tables, and plants. On the outside, trim back bushes or move patio furniture that could obstruct access. Giving your installers plenty of room to work ensures the project moves quickly and reduces the chance of accidental damage to your belongings. Protect your floors and furniture. Window replacement can create dust and debris. While most professional installers will bring protective coverings, it's smart to take extra precautions. Cover furniture near windows with sheets or plastic, and lay down drop cloths or old blankets in high-traffic areas. This small step keeps your home cleaner and makes post-project cleanup much easier. Remove window treatments and hardware before your replacement day. Take down any blinds, curtains, drapes, or shades. Also, remove hardware like curtain rods or shutters. Leaving windows bare allows installers to get straight to work without delays. If you plan to reuse your treatments, store them safely until installation is complete. Or, consider updating them to complement your new windows and give your home a fresh look. Disable security systems. If your current windows are connected to your home security system, be sure to contact your provider before installation. Sensors and alarms may need to be temporarily removed or adjusted to avoid false alerts. Once your new windows are in place, you can have your provider reinstall or recalibrate the system for maximum protection. Create easy access. In Scottsdale neighborhoods, installers may need to move equipment, ladders, and new windows through your yard or driveway. Clear pathways by moving vehicles, toys, or garden tools. If you have pets, make arrangements to keep them safe and out of the way on installation day. Creating easy access helps the crew work efficiently and keeps everyone safe. Prepare for noise and disruption. Window replacement is not a quiet project. Expect hammering, drilling, and general construction noise. If you work from home, consider setting up in a quieter part of the house or making arrangements to be away during the installation. Families with young children may want to plan around nap times. Knowing what to expect helps you feel more comfortable during the process. Communicate with your installer. Finally, talk to your installer before the project begins. Ask about timelines, what areas of your home they'll need access to, and how long each step will take. Clear communication ensures there are no surprises and allows you to plan your day accordingly. Final thoughts. A window replacement project is one of the best ways to improve comfort, style, and efficiency in your Scottsdale home. With a little preparation, clearing space, protecting furniture, removing window treatments, and arranging easy access, you'll set the stage for a smooth, hassle-free installation. By taking these steps, you'll not only make the process easier for the installation team but also ensure your investment in new windows delivers lasting value. With professional installation and thoughtful prep, your Scottsdale home will be brighter, quieter, and more energy efficient in no time.